Today, we'll learn how to create a double exposure effect. We have three things: a background image, a PNG image with the subject, and a wallpaper image for the double exposure. The PNG subject image should be on top. First, hold Ctrl and click on the PNG image thumbnail to make a selection. Then click on Add Mask. Now select the wallpaper layer. Again, hold Ctrl and click on the PNG image to select it, then add a mask here too. Set the blending mode of the PNG image to soft light. Now select the mask of the image, take the brush tool, keep the opacity low, and make sure the color is black. Now remember one thing. To make the girl image visible, paint black on the wallpaper image's mask in the areas you want to show. And to make the wallpaper image visible, paint black on the girl image's mask in the areas you want to. Basically, the black brush works like an eraser. If you erase the wallpaper image, the girl image becomes visible. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.